Box 50 is in, Box 51 is on its way up, and the compression ring is now over 40% complete. The lateral diamonds are rising fast, North Goal just received an XXL phalange box, and Tribuna's mobility cores are finally getting their superstructure. This is one of the most active updates yet. Let's get into it. Before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future Camp Nou updates. The lateral diamonds are moving at a remarkable pace. The second diamond section had its formwork stripped overnight. Walls that were poured just yesterday are already exposed, clean, and set. Workers wasted no time, immediately moving panels to the rear interior face to continue forming the remaining section. At this rate, the full pour on this diamond will be complete within days. On the first diamond, the falsework ceiling is nearly fully assembled. Shoring beams and horizontal supports are covering the full span, and topographers were on site using guide ropes to ensure millimeter-level precision before the rebar goes in. The rebar bending machine was also active on site, curving steel in place. This diamond is close to being ready for its concrete pour. The compression ring passed a milestone today. Phalange box number 50 has been placed, putting the ring at 40.7% complete with 18 radial beams and 18 pillars now installed. The construction team is targeting full ring completion by late September, and the daily pace fully supports that timeline. On the louver front, anchor bolts are now being installed on the mobility core bracket sections in this zone. Both the upper and lower rows are receiving anchors, and this mobility core is on track to be the first in the stadium where louvers connect across the sandwich panel sections. The louver installation machine was also active nearby, carrying out final checks and cable work before moving to the next section. North Goal received an XXL phalange box today. The tower crane TC5 placed it successfully with the slings released just as filming reached this zone. That brings the North Goal ring to within 1 or 2 boxes of matching the South Goal progress. A second lift was already being prepared, with the TC2 crane spotted moving toward another phalange box shortly after. On the louver side, active installation continued in the false ceiling section of this corner. The dedicated louver placement machine was working through the section, and more slats are going in steadily. New compression ring components, pillar sections, and radial beams were also stocked on the ground, ready for the next sequence. Tribuna's left mobility core is nearly done on the sandwich panel front. The large blue elevated platform was active, placing the final upper panels, carefully cutting each one to size. The right core still has work ahead, but the left is close to being fully closed out. On the superstructure side, the first bracket union frames are now being installed on the front face of the Tribuna mobility cores. One frame was already assembled in the upper section, and another was being lifted into position during filming. This is brand new progress. Nothing was in place here yesterday. That is your Camp Nou update for today. Box 50 is in. The lateral diamonds are flying. North Goal got an XXL lift, and Tribuna is finally starting its superstructure. If you enjoyed today's update, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Camp Nou construction coverage. There is still so much to come at this stadium. Thank you for watching, and as always, Visca el Barça.